Oh my god.
Gavin, what are you drinking? What are you drinking?
Beet juice.
Is it good?
Some more beet juice.
A little bit. Is it that good? Can I try? Not bad, not bad.
Tell me what you think about beet juice.
Good.
It's good.
Do you think we should go to Baba's and have her make you borscht? That's beet soup. Would you eat beet soup? Are beets and pierogies your favorite foods?
He's even got his Ukrainian sweater on. Hey? You got the blue sky and the yellow field sweater on? Yeah.
Can you say I love you?
I love you.
Can you say goodbye?
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Say pierogies.
Porridge.
Say beans.
Beans.
Say I have an idea.
I have an idea.
Say
Alright.
ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
That's a long one.
Say it.
Done.
We are made ice cream.
Okay. Say bye again.
Bye.